Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be making a breakfast pizza. So join me. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Thank you guys for joining in and watching. So in today's video, I'm going to be making a breakfast pizza. So the things that you will need for this breakfast pizza, of course, is bacon, olive oil, pizza crust, as well as salt, pepper, milk, eggs, and Colby Jack cheese, a can of sausage gravy, and that's really it. So as you can see here, I have the pizza crust dough. I've already washed my pan off. I'm going to go ahead and line up the dough on this pan and then just kind of like smush it out a little bit more just so that it can extend out onto the pan. So this is the olive oil that I need. I'm going to need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm just going to put it everywhere onto the pizza dough. And then just take your hands and your fingers and rub it a little bit everywhere just so that it can be absorbed in. So eventually you're going to need to get a fork and poke holes into your pizza dough. So poke as many as you want to, as less as you want to. It's totally up to you. I just really wanted the olive oil to get absorbed into this pizza crust dough so that it turns out really well because I'm very hungry. So you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 eggs into a large bowl. These eggs are going to be beaten along with salt and along with pepper. All right, so you're just going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt, and then you'll add in half a teaspoon of the pepper into your eggs. All right, so my bacon is cooking in the oven at the moment. I also need to go ahead and just whip these up really quickly because next I'm going to be adding in another ingredient to the eggs. So the next ingredient is to add 1/3 cup of milk into our eggs along with the salt and pepper. And then we basically are going to go ahead and cook up these eggs in a pan with 2 tablespoons of butter. So our crust needs to go into the oven on 425 for about 7 minutes. So let's go ahead and get the eggs running and cooking. Now that our crust is ready to come out of the oven, let's go ahead and take it out of the oven and just set it to the side. The eggs are scrambled, they're ready. So what I need to do next is get ready to open up a can of sausage gravy. So I use Libby's, and so you just scoop it out, smear it everywhere, just so that you cover all the edges and the whole pizza crust dough itself. Alright, so after the sausage gravy, your next layer is going to be your eggs. Put your eggs any and everywhere that you can, even towards the corners, just to make sure that you get enough at the corners and it doesn't just burn the corners. You also are then going to add the Colby Jack cheese on top of the eggs. That is the next layer. So use about 2 cups full of the Colby Jack cheese. You don't have to measure it out. If you feel like you know, do it. That's exactly what I did. And so then you will take the bacon and crumble that up, and then that'll go on top. And then the last thing to do is put it back into that oven on 425 and bake it for 6 to 7 minutes. Comment down below if you guys have ever made this recipe before. If you have, tell me what you think of it. This was honestly the first time that I made something like this, so I definitely wanted to film it and edit it for you guys to see how to make something different. I'm tired of having the same old things for breakfast, such as pancakes, waffles, biscuit and gravy, eggs, bacon, cheesy eggs, you name it. I just wanted something different, so this is why I ended up making the breakfast pizza. All you need are the ingredients shown at the beginning of the video. The ingredients will be listed in my description box down below, as well as the recipe coming from me. I want to say thanks guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below what you think and if you're going to try it. You only need a couple simple ingredients, and it only takes less than 20 minutes to get everything ready and prepared. Have a great day, guys.